15. Drivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're off and running in autonomous as the bots can score 3 points apiece from moving off of their starting line in autonomous. If they can score coral on the reef, it counts anywhere from 3 to 7 points, with 7 points being high atop the reef, as the Blue Alliance has done. It's 23-9 coming out of autonomous, with the human players now controlling the action at the bottom of the sea for the next 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 90-86, that's the Wildcat Robotics swimming around the reef with their bot. And 16-48, the G3 Robotics team inches towards the coral reef. 36-35, the Flying Legion at the coral zone as the Red Alliance bots head towards the reef. 47-01, that's Team Wire. They have that coral in their possession. They're going to try to place it on the reef somewhere, looking for a place to score the maximum amount of points that they can, with the ocean currents affecting how they're driving. 71-04 has a piece of algae in their possession, moving it around as the Blue Alliance has scored 4 points in the net. High atop the barge. That was after the Red Alliance processed their algae for 6 points, as it's 40-15 with 1:20 left to go in match number 42. Once again, we will be going to match number 52 today to end the qualification matches. After match number 48, somewhere around then, that would be your last match. You will need to get your robot re-inspected, as 17-46 has coral in their possession. It drops off beside the trough and falls down into the Marianas Trench there. The Blue Alliance scoring another 4 after the Red Alliance processes it in the side. It's 62-21. 62-21 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Now it's 66-21 as the Blue Alliance scores another 4. There's another piece of coral being scored high by 90-86. That's the Wildcat Robotics. That was worth 5 points as the Blue Alliance moves ahead 75-23. With 33 seconds left to go, there's still a lot of time for scoring. As 17-46, Team Auto moves towards the barge zone. Another piece of coral has been algae has been processed and scored by the Blue Alliance on the side. 71-04 at the reef as we're down to under 20 seconds. The Blue Alliance bots headed towards the barge zone as well. 90-86 trying to score that final piece of coral before the end of the match for 5 points to get them closer to 100, as 17-46 for the Red Alliance pulls themselves off of the bottom of the floor of the ocean. All right, if that's successful, they will probably be awarded the 12 points for that, as well as a ranking point for completing the mission underneath the barge. We'll wait until the fish swim one more time in match number 42, and then we'll give you the information on the ranking points and the final score. All right, in that last match, match number 42, let's take a look, see what the final score was. The Blue Alliance victorious as we see the Blue Alliance fish swimming 112 to 45. 112 to 45 as the Blue Alliance 1648 maintains its rank at number 2 as the other two members of the Alliance climb in the standings. The Blue Alliance gained 5 ranking points, 1 for autonomous, 1 for the barge, and the Red Alliance also gained a ranking point for completing the task under the barge at the end game.